everyone, so for today's video I'm going to be doing a clothing haul as well. So recently I've picked up loads and loads of clothes as it is obviously winter and I wanted some new things for my wardrobe. I haven't done a clothing haul since May last year, so I felt that one was long overdue and it's a nice break from all the studying videos as well. So I'm just going to get into this. I'm going to start with H&M, which seems to be like my favourite clothing store at the moment. So I had a voucher from Christmas which I used, and then some of the other clothing items I picked back up last year already, but I thought I'd just show you them because I've worn them in videos or in posts or whatever and you guys have been asking where they're from. So the two things I picked up with the voucher were these. The first thing is this black kind of like denim skirt. It's just got pockets on the side and then like a small pocket here and then just a button. It's like rose gold button, and then it's just got pockets on the back and it also has belt loops, and I think this was about $17.99, which I thought wasn't bad as I do have a denim skirt but it's got buttons all the way down. I didn't want that, I just wanted like a plain one. It's just got this zip and it's really comfortable and it fits me like perfectly. I have quite like a small waist but quite a wide hip, so to find something that fits without like gaping at the back is amazing. So yeah, I absolutely love this. And then the other thing I picked up with the voucher was a set of two belts. So I just got this one, so this is just like brown, like a tan colour, and then I also got the black one which I'm wearing right now, and these were $7.99. so yeah, if you're looking for a 2-pack of belts, because I went into Primark and they had none, do go look at H&M. They're really good quality, as my other one from Newlook kind of broke on me, so I wasn't very happy with that. And then, like I said, I did a bit of shopping last year in H&M. So the first thing is just this green top, and you've probably seen me wear this loads because I absolutely love it. This was £5 from the basics range. So yeah, I recommend sizing up in this because otherwise the sleeves are quite short. I got this in a small because the extra small, the sleeves weren't very long and my arms aren't long usually. So yeah, I just picked this up. It is so soft and so comfortable. You can wear this with like loads and loads of things. And then I picked up 3 jumpers, as I'm a massive fan of jumpers, so whenever there's a jumper I'm down for it. The first one is this black one, so this just says Rebel Girl Revolution and it just says Rebel down the side. To wear this when I'm going out, and like for example if I've got a black top on and it's a bit cold, then I'll just chuck this on top. It's kind of like a thin jumper, so you don't have to necessarily wear anything underneath like another top or anything, but I really like it. It's quite just a basic item to have. And then the other jumper you would have seen in quite a few Instagram posts. This just says female equals future, and I remember this was quite a bit more expensive, but I really like this. It's really thick and fluffy inside, nice long sleeves, really baggy, like I really like it. You can wear this with jeans, leggings, anything. So yeah, if you're looking for like a good cozy jumper, this is it. And then the final one I got is a little bit different, and this is like a, it's not knitted but it kind of is. Blue jumper. It looks quite bright on camera, it's not as bright, and then it's kind of got like these big sleeves, so it is a little bit big sleeve wise, so I just roll them up. But yeah, this is really comfy. You do have to wear like a vest or something underneath because it obviously is quite sheer, like you can kind of see through it, but I really like this, and it is kind of a bit more of like a smarter jumper compared to the other ones, which is kind of what I wanted. So if I was going out somewhere, then I would look a bit more like well dressed. I'll try linking everything down below, but those last 3 items came, I got them in about October, so I'm not too sure if they're still available, but if they are I'll link them down below for you. But then I got a Topshop voucher for my birthday, so I went to Topshop and purchased 2 things. So the first thing I got was from the petite section, and it's just this top. It just says Dreamer on it, and then it's kind of like got this, I don't know, is this called like lettuce sleeving or something? It's kind of like a little thing, you know, and it's got it at the bottom. It's kind of like a top. It sits, it's not really a crop top because I sized up quite a bit, but I guess if you got like your proper size it'll be fine. Yeah, this sits really nicely kind of like around my waist and my hip bones and stuff, and I really like this. I think this was £12, which isn't too bad actually. It's really soft and really comfortable, and it's really good fabric. But I did use my Unidays discount, so I got 10% off. So if you haven't signed up to Unidays already, I'll leave a link down below because you can get like some amazing discounts. And then I also picked up a pair of jeans because I bought some Topshop Journey jeans ages ago, and they're completely like discoloured and the waist is so big and there's no belt loop. However, I went in and they're honestly my favourite jeans. Like, they're the most comfiest things. I have jeggings from Newlook because they're the only things that I could find to fit me. And then I went in and they do Joni jeans with belt loops. So I sized down from what I got last time, and these are so comfy. It's kind of like a, not like a proper denim blue. These are Joni jeans, so like they've got the belt loop and everything, and then the pockets at the back, and these are perfect. These were £36, and then obviously I got 10% off. But yeah, I'm so happy with these. These are so comfortable. I've worn them so many times already, and I only got them like last week. But yeah, if you're looking for some good jeans, obviously Topshop is the way to go. They are a little bit more expensive, but I think if you get the right size, and if you get ones with a belt loop, you're fine. These are like super high-waisted, the Joni jeans, but I really like them. They're the best pair of jeans I've ever had, and they last a long time. Like the black ones do fade, but the other ones don't seem to. And then the last two clothing items I have are some trousers. So if you know me, I used to never wear jeans. I would only ever wear leggings, and then I started wearing jeans, and I kind of just want to branch out a little bit and some trousers, and that seems to be like the in thing at the moment, all these trousers. So I've picked up two in the last few weeks. So the first pair are from Pretty Little Thing, and these are just these black pinstripe trousers. I got these kind of like end of December, but they are still available. I've double checked. I love these things. These are so comfortable. They were £20. They've got an elasticated waist, which is perfect because they're just going to fit, and I got these in an 8, so they would be a bit more baggy rather than like skin tight. I love these. They are like cuffed at the bottom. I'm not tall enough to have them like sit, you know, where the cuff's meant to be. I'm quite short, so yeah, I love these. They've got pockets, because who doesn't want pockets? And like I said, an elasticated waist which just ties up, and this is perfect. I've posted like a full outfit pic on Instagram, so if you want to see like what they look like on, you can go check that out. But yeah, I love these so much. And then the other pair of trousers I haven't had a chance to wear yet because the weather hasn't been great. But they're these pink trousers from Newlook. These are paper bag trousers, which I really like the style of. I think they look really good. The only thing about these is it takes like, it's a nightmare to get on and off. So you obviously tie them up. It's got a zip, then like a buckle, and then another button. Like, it's crazy how much there is. But yeah, these are so comfortable. They're like this pastel pink kind of colour. They just tie up. They've got pockets, front and back, although the back ones are obviously like fake, and these were £20 as well, but I got a discount on Unidays, so again, discount, always great, and I love these. I just can't wait to wear them. I hope you've all enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a massive thumbs up, and if you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below, and I will link everything I can find for you in case you want to go ahead and purchase anything like this for yourself. And like I said, my Unidays will be linked down below, so if you want to go sign up, just click that link, and yeah, you can sign up and start earning loads of discounts. And I will see you all in next week's video, which is another how I revise. Bye!